So if you are looking to earn some money from soccer betting, there are a few ways that you can do it. The first one, tipster. Making money from your betting tips if you are good at predicting games. You could actually sell your tips to others. To start with, you could offer your free tips on your social media and slowly expand and build from there. When you gain more loyal followers, you could start offer more betting tips with a price. Bookmakers. The basic principle of bookmaking is straightforward and pretty obvious. A bookmaker takes money in whenever they lay a bet to a customer, and they pay money out every time one of their customers wins a bet. The idea is to take more money in than paying out. The art of bookmaking is in making sure this process happens. Bookmakers cannot control the outcome of any games, but they can control how much they stand to win or lose on any particular results. They set the odds for all the wagers they lay, which ultimately enables them to make sure there is a profit. Punters. Do you know that there are professional punters that living on betting only? One of the most successful punters in the world is making a profit of 10 billion annual revenue. Some good advice from those punters that you should listen. It does not matter what you are betting on, racing or sports. The most important thing is discipline. Only bet on something you really want to bet on, and don't just bet on something because it is there. Don't chase your losers, and if you lose, so be it. There is another race coming up tomorrow.